Meet Sophie, a project manager trying to assess multiple tenders for a major project. Every submission arrives in a different format. Clarifications are buried in endless email chains. Pricing schedules don't match. Contractors add, remove, and rename items, turning what should be a straightforward comparison into days of manual analysis. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and takes valuable time away from the important details of the tender assessment. Luckily for us, there's now a better way. Meet Tender. Tender is a single platform designed by development industry insiders to streamline the entire tender process. Issue tenders, receive submissions, compare price and non-price items, and manage clarifications all in one place. When tenderers submit their pricing, Tender's intelligent alignment tools help standardise schedules before they're received, eliminating countless hours of manual comparison. No more email chaos. No more spreadsheet headaches. No more week-long tender assessments. For project managers like Sophie, tender means faster evaluations, better decisions, and more time spent on needle-moving decisions. See for yourself. Start using Tender today.